So, bete, the chapter is a triumph of surgery. It is written by James Herriot, A Triumph of Surgery. Tricky, a small dog, is pampered and overfed by his rich mistress. ये किसके बारे में है? It is about a dog whose name is Tricky. Tricky is a small dog who is pampered. Pamper करना क्या होता है? किसी की तरफ बहुत ज्यादा ध्यान देना, और जिसको बोलते हैं कि सिर चढ़ा लेना किसी को, दैट इज कॉल्ड पैम्पर करना. सो जो ट्रिकी की मिस्ट्रेस है, जो उसकी ऑनर है, वो उसे बहुत ज्यादा पैम्पर करती है. एंड ओवरफेड क्या होता है? उसे जरूरत से ज्यादा खिलाती है. एंड he falls seriously ill and his mistress consults a veterinary surgeon. Veterinary surgeon कौन सा होता है? The doctor of the animals is called a veterinary surgeon. तो ओवरफीडिंग से क्या होता है? वो बहुत ज्यादा बीमार हो जाता है ट्रिकी, और फिर उसको वेटरनरी डॉक्टर के पास लेके जाया जाता है. Does he perform an operation? तो क्या डॉक्टर उसका ऑपरेशन करता है? एंड does he recover? क्या वो रिकवर करता है? कि क्या डॉक्टर उसका ऑपरेशन करता है, और ऑपरेशन करने के बाद क्या ट्रिकी में कोई रिकवरी होती है? नाउ रीड एंड फाइंड आउट. चैप्टर पढ़ने के बाद यू विल बी एबल टू आंसर द क्वेश्चन. व्हाई इज मिसेस Pumphrey worried about Tricky? मिसेस Pumphrey जो है वो ट्रिकी के लिए worried क्यों है? कौन है Pumphrey? Pumphrey is the mistress of the dog. What does she do to help him? उसकी हेल्प करने के लिए वो क्या करती है? Is she wise in this? क्या वो इसमें समझदार लगती है आपको? And who does I refer to in this story? In this story, the word I is used. For whom this word has been used. So now let us start the reading. I was really worried about Tricky this time. इस बार मुझे ट्रिकी के लिए बहुत डर लगा हुआ था. I had pulled up my car when I saw him in the street with his mistress. And pulled up means stopped here. Pulled up का मीनिंग क्या होगा? Stopped. I stopped my car when I saw Tricky with his mistress in the street. I was shocked at his appearance, and I was very much shocked how the dog was looking. He had become hugely fat. Tricky had become fat like a blotted sausage. Blotted is as if swollen, जैसे वो सूज गया था. And sausage, a thin tube like casing. Sausage होता है कि एक वो फूल गया था, और लग कैसा रहा था? एक ट्यूब की तरह लग रहा था, जो अंदर से बिल्कुल हॉलो होती है, खाली होती है. मतलब उसका शरीर फूला हुआ था और अंदर से वो बिल्कुल खोखला था. कि फूला हुआ देख के तो आपको लगेगा कि वो मोटा है, उसको उठाया नहीं जा सकता, लेकिन अगर आप उसको उठाओगे तो आपको कैसा लगेगा? कि ये तो एकदम से पतला है, जैसे कि ये एक खाली ट्यूब है. With a leg at each corner means he had become hugely fat like a blotted sausage with a leg at each corner, and at each edge it had one leg. जैसे होती हैं legs चार. His eyes bloodshot. Bloodshot means the eyes were deep red and rheumy. Rheumi is a watery discharge from nose or eyes. जैसे किसी को कोल्ड हो जाता है तो आंखों में से और नाक में से पानी बहता है. The same was there. His eyes were looking deep red and a water was discharging from the eyes and nose. Stared straight ahead and he stared straight ahead and his tongue lolled from his jaws. He saw straight. The dog saw straight and his tongue lolled from his jaws means came out from his jaw. कि उसके मुंह में से उसकी जो टंग है वो बाहर आ गई. Mrs. Pumphrey hastened to explain. Hastened means moved forward. Mrs. Pumphrey moved forward to explain. He was so listless. Listless is lacking energy, but now she was lacking in energy. Mr. Harriot he was so listless means he was lacking allergy. He was lacking energy, Mr. Harriot. Then she explains to Mr. Harriot, who is the writer. She says to the writer that the dog is lacking energy. He seemed to have no energy, and it is seeming as if the dog has lost all the energy. I thought he must be suffering from malnutrition. Malnutrition क्या होता है? Lack of proper food. So he thought that the dog must be suffering from malnutrition means he is not getting the proper food. That's why his condition is so. So I have been giving him some little extra between meals to build him up. अब मिसेस पंफ्री जो उसकी मिस्ट्रेस थी वो क्या बताती है? कहती मेरे को ऐसा लगा था कि शायद ही हैज लैक ऑफ एनर्जी, कि इसमें लैक ऑफ एनर्जी की वजह से ऐसा हो रहा है, इसलिए मैं इसको फूड के बीच बीच मतलब जो इसका खाना खाने का टाइम है अदर देन दैट भी मैं इसको खाने के लिए कुछ ना कुछ देती रहती थी. Some malt and cold liver oil. So she says that I used to give him some. Malt is the grain soaked in water. पानी में जो दाने कुछ भी दानेदार चीज डाल के देती थी और कोड लिवर ऑयल भी दे देती थी. दैट इज लिवर ऑयल ऑफ कोड फिश. मीन्स उसका मतलब ये था ये सब देने का कि इसमें एनर्जी आए. एंड बोल ऑफ हॉर्लिक्स एट नाइट. और रात को मैं इसको हॉर्लिक्स का एक बॉल देती थी to make him sleep so that he gets a nice sleep at night. Nothing much really. Nothing more than this. और इससे ज्यादा मैंने इसे कुछ नहीं दिया. And did you cut down on the sweet things as I told you? Then the doctor asked that have you reduced the number of sweets as I had told you? कि क्या तुमने मीठे पे भी कुछ लगाम लगाई जैसे मैंने तुझे बोला था? Oh, I did for a bit. Then she adds that yes, I did that, but for a very small time. But he seemed to be so weak, I had to relent. लेकिन वो इतना ज्यादा वीक हो गया था, so I had to push myself back. इसलिए मैं उस चीज से पीछे हटी और मैंने उसका मीठा कम नहीं किया. He does love cream cakes and chocolates so. और moreover she adds that the dog is having a great love for cake and chocolate, so I can't bear to refuse him. इसलिए मैं इन चीजों को रिफ्यूज नहीं कर सकती थी. I looked down again at the little dog. मैंने फिर से उस डॉग की तरफ देखा. Now Mr. Harriot is saying this. I looked down again at the dog. That was the trouble. That was the main problem. Tricky's only fault was greed. ट्रिकी की बीमारी का मेन रीजन क्या था कि ट्रिकी ग्रीडी था, वो लालची था, उसको खाने का लालच रहता था. He had never been known to refuse food, और उसने कभी फूड को रिफ्यूज किया ही नहीं. ट्रिकीज He would tackle a meal at any hour of the day or night. Tackle का मीनिंग यहाँ पे होगा eat. He would eat food at any time, whether it was day or night. And I wondered about all the things Mrs. Pumphrey hadn't mentioned. And I was wondered here means I was worried about all the things which Mrs. Pumphrey had mentioned. Are you giving him plenty of exercise? Then Mr. Harriot asked, are you giving him exercise means is he doing exercise also? Well, he has his little walks with me, as you can see. He walks little with me. He goes for a walk with me, as you can see. But Hodgkin, the gardener, has been down with lumbago, so there has been no ring throwing lately. Well, he has his little walks with me, as you can see. जितना मेरे साथ वो चलता है वो आपको पता ही है. बट हॉजकिन जो गार्डनर है हैज बीन डाउन विद लम्बैगो. लम्बैगो इज रूमेटिक पेन, जोड़ों का दर्द. कि जो गार्डनर है he has been down here means he is ill due to back pain. ड्यू टू rheumatic pain, कि जोड़ों के दर्द के कारण वो हिल नहीं सकता. So there has been no ring throwing lately. Ring throwing means the ring throwing exercise, जो रिंग फेंकते हैं एक दूसरे की तरफ. मीन्स कि पहले गार्डनर उसको रिंग थ्रोइंग करवाता था, कि गार्डनर रिंग फेंकता था और ये उसे लेके आता था. लेकिन अब क्या है कि due to his own ill health, he is not able to do that practice with the dog, and that's why now he goes for a walk. The dog goes for a walk with me only, right? So बेटे आपने ये चैप्टर अच्छे से पढ़ना है, ठीक है.